Aberdeen to Glasgow service, Union of South Africa rolls into Perth's platform 4. As it leaves the station and emerges from under St Leonard's Bridge, the A4 sounds a warning whistle to Eddie. One of the stalwarts of Scottish steam traction, a V2, enters the station, but for the enthusiasts milling at the foot of the craggy steps, it's the A4s that hold their attention. A rebuilt Patriot Class 45527 Southport heads for Perth Depot. Just under a half a mile south of the station, the shed was a magnet for enthusiasts, and it's not hard to see why. The shed road's crammed with a fascinating array of locomotive types. Until the wholesale withdrawal of the class in 1964, ex-LMS Duchess Pacifics could be regularly found in the shed yard, usually having arrived at Perth with workings from Carlisle. On shed at the time of Eddie's visit were 46256 Sir William Stanier FRS, which had been named in honour of the class's designer, and 46257 City of Salford. The depot was originally built for the Caledonian Railway, but was extensively modernised by the LMS in the 1930s. Part of the modernisation programme included the installation of a 70-foot turntable, its vacuum mechanism coping easily with the 164-ton weight of Union of South Africa. The turntable's vacuum motors were powered from the locomotive's brake system, and could turn the locomotive through 180 degrees in less than 2 minutes. Perth Depot closed in 1967, following the end of steam operations in Scotland. Cold and watered, 60006 heads to Perth Station prior to taking over an Aberdeen service. From Perth, it was 90 miles to Aberdeen, and leaving for the Granite City, 60009 moved slowly out of the north end of Perth General. It was an easy road north of Perth, and by the time the A4s were approaching Denmark Fields on the outskirts of the city, they were building up a respectable speed. In March 1964, enthusiasts were taken aback when the 8:25 AM Aberdeen service was handed over to North British Type 2 diesels. With the fitting of new engines to these troublesome locomotives, British Railways were confident they had eradicated the earlier reliability problems. But this confidence was short-lived, and within 8 weeks the A4s had reclaimed the service from the diesels.